I'm about to come upon the biggest ammo can I have ever seen. Well, you know, personally found. Come on, you guys. Pepper, you need to go around the vine. Okay, let's help Pepper first. All right, you need to go around. Come on, Pepper. Okay, technical difficulties. We gotta get the little dog untangled from her leash being on this branch thing. And then we'll be right back. Okay, seriously, biggest ammo can I've ever personally seen as a geocache. Let's see if we can make it over there with two grumpy dogs. Come on. Ooh. Real action. Oh my god, this is right by the water. I'm surprised it, you know, doesn't flood and stuff. So, wow. Let's see if we can make it over there. Ben is just bashing twigs and stuff in my head. Oops. And I dropped his leash. Alright, we have technical difficulties here. But look at that freaking ammo can. Pepper, see how big it is? It's bigger than Pepper. Hey, let's put Pepper right next to the geocache. Oh, can you sit, Pepper? See how big it is? Alright. Hey, Pep. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Wow. And take a look inside. Trackables and logs and prizes. What's this? Shark teeth. Pepper smells it. Shark teeth. And let's go ahead and grab the log container. Wow, this thing's so big, it's got Tupperware as the log baggie. That's pretty awesome. Huh. Sweet. Looks like quite a few people have found this. So I'm going to go ahead and sign this. I'm all out of trackables, or at least I think I am. I'm going to start digging through my backpack because definitely want to leave something in here. So, yep, cool. Biggest ammo can I have ever found. It's like a geocaching first for me.